Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So over the past few days we've been going through every other coin other than the 20-cent coin, so we might as well do some coin roll hunting on some 20-cent coin rolls. So we'll get started now and see how we go. So 20-cent coins are one of my favourite coins to go through. To be honest, I don't know why. There's less and less to find. I think it's just the allure of trying to find a 1966 wavy is sort of the reason why I keep going back to them. But as far as low mintage coins and anything of real value, there isn't a lot to find. And to be honest, I don't have too much success, but I keep going back to them in the hope of finding a wavy. So generally try to look for some 2001 Federation, so the state coins. But even that, I'm really struggling to find many at all. So I know I find a heck of a lot more 50-cent coins, state coins, than what I do the 20-cent version of them. So we'll see how we go, but I'm not too confident we'll find anything of real value. So we'll look for different error coins and that kind of thing, but we'll see how we go. We'll do a few rolls now. And then I might pause and go through a few rolls in the hope of finding something. So I do find plenty of 2018 20-cent coins, so I don't keep them, and I don't believe they're going to be a low mintage. So alright, so here's a coin. What we got here? This is most likely one from the newspapers, so from 2015. This is not meant for circulation, so Australian Imperial Force, World War One. So that's a coin worth holding on to. I've never found this particular one. I found plenty from that series where there was 14 20-cent pieces, but I've never found this one. So that's certainly one to hold on to. I mean, if you find these in good condition, hold on to them. It's quite a nice coin, and they can sell for even a couple of dollars, really. So I've got plenty of them. I don't really try to sell them, but at some stage I probably should try and sell a few and see how we go. I will open up one more roll live, and then I'll go about saying, oh, look what's on this end. So that's cool. We got a state coin straight away. It's a Norfolk Island, so we'll get in there. Grab that one out. So there we go, Norfolk Island state coin, and not too bad a condition, but certainly a keeper and certainly worth a few dollars each. There's a Kiwi coin, New Zealand. put it straight back into circulation. There's plenty of them out there. You can't even spend them in New Zealand, so we found more than I thought we'd find, to be honest. Certainly for starters, I'm being quite surprised. Well, here's a 66. This would really make my day if that was a wavy, and it's not. So check all your 2008s for wave gap. I've had about 4 of them go through, but none of them have been a wave gap. Here's a 2018. I seem to be finding truckloads of them, so I don't bother keeping. I kept a couple just for my 20-cent coin collection, for my 20-cent album, but other than that, no, I just let them go through. Alright guys, I'll turn the camera off and continue on, and we'll come back when I find something decent. Alright guys, so I just picked up a 2004 Big Head, which is another one to look out for. There's plenty of small heads out there, but the Big Head is the tough one to find. So keep an eye out for that one. Haven't been too successful with... I've probably gone through about another 8 to 10 rolls, and yeah, haven't really found anything. So I've probably got another 4 rolls to go after this, and I'll come back to you, and we'll hopefully find something else. If not, we'll just go through what we've found so far. Alright guys, be back soon. Alright guys, so I haven't found one of these in a while, and to be honest I probably don't look close enough, but this is a 2010 20-cent coin, but this is the bubble era, and you'll see just above the, I'll point it out with my pen, just above these claws here you'll see a little circle, and that's a bubble. So it's called a 2010 bubble era coin, and I'll try and show you in different light, but yeah, keep an eye out for that as well. I think there's a few dollars worth in that particular era, and yeah, well worth looking for as well. But it's certainly been a while since I've properly focused on that. I tend to skip over that particular era, and it's probably been a little while since I found any. So yeah, keep an eye out for that if you're unfamiliar of the 2010 bubble. Alright guys, we're almost finished this roll, and that's my last roll for today. So we might as well finish it off together. Just going a little closer at the claws there. A little bit misformed. Oh, it's not too bad. I was just looking at the claws. There is some claw errors on some of the 2014 20-cent coins as well. That's the small head compared to the big head of the 2004, so you can see the difference there. But this is not worth keeping. And the last coin for today, 1970, so not a low mintage. Alright, so let's have a look at what we actually found today. 4 coins, which is actually better than I thought we were going to go. So we got the 2010 Bubble, 2004 Big Head, a coin that's technically not meant for circulation, and 1 state coin from Norfolk Island. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so, and hit that bell button if you want to know each and every time that one of my videos goes up. That'll send you notifications. So yeah, alright guys, thanks for watching. Look forward to bringing more videos to you soon.